Find the right meaning. Potato, broccoli, carrot, tomato, carrot. A long orange vegetable. Carrots help you see better at night. Broccoli or carrot? Carrot. Carrot. Broccoli. Tomato. Potato. Broccoli. A green flower-like vegetable. Broccoli is good for strong bones. Broccoli or carrot? Broccoli. Potato. Carrot. Broccoli. Tomato. Potato. A round brown vegetable. Potatoes can be mashed or fried. Tomato or potato? Potato. Broccoli. Potato. Carrot. Tomato. Tomato. A red round fruit often used as a vegetable. Tomatoes are juicy and great in salads. Tomato or potato? Tomato. Onion. Spinach. Cucumber. Pepper. Onion. A round white or yellow vegetable. Onions can make you cry when you cut them. Cucumber or onion? Onion. Pepper. Onion. Cucumber. Spinach. Spinach. A leafy green vegetable. Spinach is healthy and helps build muscles. Pepper or spinach? Spinach. Cucumber. Onion. Spinach. Pepper. Cucumber. A long, green vegetable. Cucumbers are crunchy and refreshing in salads. Cucumber or onion? Cucumber. Cucumber. Onion. Pepper. Spinach. Pepper. A colorful vegetable can be sweet or hot. Peppers add a spicy taste to dishes. Pepper or spinach? Pepper. Zucchini. Cauliflower. Lettuce. Radish. Cauliflower. A white flower-like vegetable. Cauliflower can be eaten raw or cooked. Radish or cauliflower? Cauliflower. Zucchini. Radish. Cauliflower. Lettuce. Zucchini. A long, green vegetable like a small cucumber. Zucchini is great for grilling or baking. Lettuce or zucchini? Zucchini. Lettuce. radish, cauliflower, zucchini, lettuce. A leafy green vegetable used in salads. Lettuce is light and crispy. Lettuce or zucchini. Lettuce. Radish, zucchini, lettuce, cauliflower, radish. A small, round, and often red vegetable. Radishes add a spicy crunch to dishes. Radish or cauliflower. Radish. Garlic, pumpkin, beet, asparagus, beet. A round purple vegetable. Beets are sweet and can be roasted. Asparagus or beet. Beet. Pumpkin, garlic, beet, asparagus, pumpkin. A large orange vegetable often used for Halloween. Pumpkins can be made into pies. Garlic or pumpkin. Pumpkin. Beet, garlic, pumpkin, asparagus, garlic. A small white bulb with a strong flavor. Garlic adds flavor to many foods. Garlic or pumpkin. Garlic. Asparagus, pumpkin, beet, garlic, asparagus. A long green vegetable with a unique taste. Asparagus is good for digestion. Asparagus or beet. Asparagus. Celery, leek, corn, squash, corn. A yellow vegetable with many kernels. Corn is sweet and can be eaten on the cob. Celery or corn. Corn. Leek, celery, squash, corn, leek. A long green vegetable with onion-like taste. Leeks are great in soups and stews. Squash or leek. Leek. Squash, corn, leek, celery, celery. A long green stalk vegetable. Celery is crunchy and low in calories. Celery or corn. Celery. Corn, leek, squash, celery, squash. A type of vegetable that comes in many shapes. Squash can be baked, steamed, or pured. Squash or leek. Squash.